If you're tired of switching back and forth between ClickUp and Outlook just to manage tasks and emails, this video is about to save you a lot of time today. I'll show you exactly how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook in this full guide. Simple, quick, and foolproof. By the end, your email and task management will feel like one smooth system. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Log in using your registered email. Make sure your email is typed correctly because even a small mistake can block access. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Use a strong one, or better yet, a password manager to ensure your ClickUp workspace stays secure. Hit login and you'll be taken straight into your dashboard. Now that you're inside your workspace, look toward the top right corner. Click on your avatar or your name. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This is where all your workspace level configurations live, including integrations, so don't skip this step. Inside the Settings panel, scroll until you find something called the App Center. Go ahead and open it. This is where ClickUp keeps all its official integrations. Look for Outlook email, then click to select it. Once you're inside the Outlook integration page, press Configure. ClickUp will now prompt you to sign in with Microsoft. Make sure you sign in with the exact Outlook account you want connected, whether it's your personal inbox, work email, or a dedicated productivity account. After signing in, you'll be asked to grant a few permissions. These allow ClickUp to sync your emails, create tasks directly from messages, and streamline communication without you jumping between platforms. Just review them and click Allow. And that's it. Your integration is live. From now on, you can turn recurring emails into actionable tasks, keep your communication organized, and seriously cut down the time you waste. Switching apps. It's a small setup that makes a big difference in your daily workflow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover any other ClickUp features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.